Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you are tired of wasting time on tools or tactics that's overpromised and underdeliver, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the Grok AI Expertise video course can really do, the good and bad and the surprising parts no one else is talking about. I'll also break down whose this course is perfect for, where it fails, and by the end of this video, I'll show you 5 additional bonuses you can get for free if you buy this course through my link. So stick around till the end, you don't want to miss it out. Let's start with quick overview and then we'll move into the pros and cons of this powerful training bundle. So, what is Grok AI Expertise? This is brand new, never before released private label rights course designed to teach you or your customers how to master AI tools for real productivity. What makes it special? It's all about the clarity without any tech overwhelm. It's built for non-techies but powerful enough for serious marketers. So after exploring, here's what you getting inside genuinely HD training videos, so showing you exactly how to use AI for automation, analytics and optimization, and a complete training guide with proven strategies to help you or your clients scale using AI tools, instantly usable marketing materials perfect for reselling or promotion the course without effort, and conversation optimized promo content built to hook and engage your ideal audience fast. Well, it gets better. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros. The first pro, this course is video first, no dry PDFs or boring manuals. It's all HD video content clearly explained with visual walkthroughs. Pro 2, it solves a big problem like take overwhelm. Everything is broken down step by step, so even beginner can follow along. Pro 3, you're not just learning, you're getting a full PLR rights. This means you can sell it, rebrand it, and keep 100% of your profit. And finally, Pro 4, it saves you time. The automation techniques inside this course are designed to free up hours in your weekly workflow. Now, what about cons? Honestly, there is not much to dislike, but here are the two you should know. Con number one, some examples in this video are a little too broad. If you are looking for niche specific AI usage, you might need to adapt those methods slightly. Con 2, while the content is high quality, the course doesn't go deep into AI development. This is more focused on using AI tools, not coding them. That's it. Nothing's deal breaking, but good to keep in mind. Oh, and the course only costs you $11. If you want to even better deals, check out the discount coupon I've added in the description. Now let's roll to quick demo.
Welcome to the high-definition training video course, Grok AI Expertise. Video number 1, Introduction to Grok AI. Video number 2, The Evolution of AI, where Grok stands out. Video number 3, Setting up Grok AI, Access and Installation Guide. Video number 4, Exploring the Grok AI Interface. Video number 5, Grok versus Other Models, a Comparative Study. Video number 6, Real-Time Twitter Integration with Grok. Video number 7, Grok AI for Social Media Content Creation. Video number 8, Writing engaging tweets, threads, and posts using Grok.
So you can see what this course look like in action. Now let's get into my final verdict. Before that, I'm just putting my ratings over here. After careful considerations and reviewing the Grok AI expertise, here's how it stack up. Course value, I'm giving 4.5 out of 5. Packed with acknowledgeable, actionable knowledge, and for price, I'm giving 4 out of 5. Very affordable at just $11, especially for PLR package, and value for money 4 out of 5. It delivers more than it promises, and tools and materials I'm again giving 4 out of 5. Easy to rebrand and launch right away. So who is this for? If you are a content creator, marketer, freelancer or coach looking to level up with AI, This is made for you, especially Grok AI. And if you are trying to resell quality training content without creating everything from scratch, it's a gold mine. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about bonuses. If you grab Grok AI Expertise through my link, I'm giving away 5 powerful bonuses completely for free. 100 plus free templates for video editing, viral video scripts bundle, AI video creation script pack, and AI automation ebook, and finally AI cartoon and animation video bundle. Just purchase through my link below and all 5 courses are yours, no extra cost. That's it guys. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe because I share you new AI tools, course and bonuses hack every week. And hey, drop a comment below if you still have any doubts about Grok AI Expertise. I'll reply personally to you and help you out to figure it out. Catch you in the next one.